welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to be bringing you my monthly Primark haul. Now I've had these bags in my room for 2 weeks now. It's been horrendous, like the content that I've had to put out has been like on a time schedule, so I haven't even had time or chance to fit this in, like filming wise and editing blah 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 wise. Obviously I'm only just sitting down to film this video right now, so it is the end of August. Literally, I think it's the last day of August today, so we're in a little bit of a rush. But this is still going to be August Primark haul because what's a few days? It doesn't matter. I will probably still be doing one in September because autumn is literally around the corner and I cannot wait. Autumn is definitely one of my favourite months. Like, I love summer, don't get me wrong, but the cosy vibes and everything like that, I think everyone loves a bit of autumn, and I know I sure do. In today's Primark haul, it's just random bits and bobs, just things that I either need, that I'd seen that were on sale, like the last few summer bits that Primark were like getting out and putting the little red tags on. I love that time when you're in between and they've got all the little red tags out because things are even cheaper and we all love a good bargain. So without further ado, let's get on into this video. If you do enjoy, don't forget to give it a huge thumbs up. Subscribe down below if you haven't already, because I literally do Primark hauls near enough every single month. I try to anyway. It's been a bit tight this month, as I've said, but I'm still bringing you one, so we're still sat here. Still going to be providing and giving you a Primark haul because I know you all love them. So let's get on into the video. I have got two massive bags, as you can see. So the first thing that didn't fit in the bag really was this bath mat. Now I've seen these bath mats in the home section of Primark for the longest time and I've wanted to pick up one for ages, and it's a memory foam bath mat, and I just think when you get out the shower or out the bath, this will be going in my ensuite, so this will be for when I get out the shower. And this is super duper soft and it's that cushiony memory foam material. It's just so cushiony and I can't wait to use it. Like I've said, these bags have been sat in my room for like 2 weeks now and I've only just got round to filming it, so I haven't been able to use any of this stuff and I've been dying to. So I can't wait to set this up outside of my shower. So this was £6, which I don't think is that bad for a bath mat, to be honest. The next thing I got was this little like bum bag, and I just think this is so cool. I saw this when Primark first opened actually, and I think I filmed it in my Primark vlog when I was vlogging around the shop. And I saw it then and I really liked it. I don't know why I didn't pick it up. Probably because I thought, well, we're not going to have festival season this year. But I saw this again and it had a little red tag on it. So, of course, I had to pick it up. So it was meant to be £6 and it was down to £3. So I thought for next year, we're all going to be booking into our festivals again, I'm sure. I tell you what, I cannot wait. It's just this clear, see-through little bum bag. You can see through the back and then the front. It's got like little gold detailings on the zips and on here, and obviously you can loosen and tighten it as well. This unclips here too, so I'm not sure what it would unclip for, to be honest, because obviously it'll just go around your waist. But I just think it's a really, really sweet little thing, and I thought I liked it the first time I saw it, so I may as well pick it up, and it was on sale for £3, so they're just such a handy little thing to have. You can fit your phone, little card holder in there, and you're good to go. Next thing is just a random little thing, a girly thing. They're called silicone petals, but I call them nipple covers. I think near enough every girl calls them nipple covers. Funny fact, I've never ever tried nipple covers before, so I thought I need to pick some up because I've got some like bralettes and that I need to, like, I can't wear without covering my nipples up, so I definitely need to just try some. That's a bit TMI, I'm sorry, but just open on this channel. We're just open. So I picked them up. It's just a girl thing. Some things, like at the minute, like especially all through summer, I refuse to wear a bra because they're the most uncomfortable things anyway, let alone when it's like 22 degrees, 24 degrees. So yeah, I've been wearing bras a lot less this year and I've been loving it. So having some nipple covers on hand is just so handy for the days when you've got a bit of a see-through top, especially white tops. I find that I can't really wear no bra with white tops because you can literally see straight through them, most of them. So that is why I picked these up, and these were £2, which I don't think it's that bad either. In every single one of my Primark hauls, I'm sure I pick up a pack of socks. So of course, here they are. So they're just a 7-pair trainer sock pack for £2.50. So like black pair, grey pairs, stripy, another grey, plain black, grey with love hearts again, and then black, grey, white. Next thing were these little shorts. Now how gorgeous are these? They're like just little chilled pajama shorts. I love the frill on them, and they've got little Marie from the Aristocats on them. I think that's her name, I'm sure it's Marie, but she's the cutest little thing ever, and they're the softest material, and I just love them. When I saw them, they were on the mannequin, and I was just like, oh. It was when we were heading to the tills as well. I was like, do I need them? Do I not? I've got loads of pajamas at the minute. But I thought on a day like when I'm filming, because you can't see the bottom half, especially when you're doing sit down videos, I'll just pick them up for that as well. And yeah, I love them. So I got them in size small because they had no extra small. Normally I'm extra small. So these are size small, 10 to 12. So they'll be a little bit oversized on me. But for pajama shorts, chill shorts, it doesn't matter. So these were £6. Next thing I picked up was a little pack of Carmex, just the strawberry flavour. I just needed some more lip balm, and I know Carmex is really good. So I just thought I'm going to pick that up. It's got SPF 15 in it as well, which is a bonus. So I just picked that up, and I think that was £1. It actually doesn't have the price on it, so I don't even know. No idea, it doesn't have the price on it, but I'm sure it was only £1. So the next thing I got was some cycling shorts. Now you all know from previous videos, like I've said, I love Primark cycling shorts. They're the cycling shorts that I swear by, and the last time I went in Primark, I could not find my size for the life of me. They just didn't have them in stock. I think I must have gone about 3 times last month, and they didn't have my size at all. It was all size small, and for cycling shorts, because they're a tight fitting like piece of clothing, I needed them in my exact size. So I'm size extra small, which is 6 to 8. I did pick them up in size small, but they just don't fit. They're so baggy, and they're just not flattering at all when they're baggy, because obviously they are a tight fitting short. These I found there was just a couple of rails left, so I picked up 3 because why not? They are my all-time favourite, and obviously they're not going to be in there much longer because they're going to be getting all of the autumn stuff in, especially now it's coming to September. So I picked up 3 because they're only £2.50 for a pair, and I just think that's a bargain, especially for a pair of cycling shorts that I get on so well with. They're literally the most comfortable cycling shorts that I've found that aren't see-through either. So I love them. That is why I picked up 3 pairs, just to stock up. I'll probably still be wearing these throughout winter, like with a big baggy jumper, like when I'm inside just chilling. But they're going to be handy for next summer. So that is why I've stocked up. These are a bit creased. They've been in the bags for a couple of weeks now. I'm loving my cardigans at the minute, and cardigans just go with everything and anything. Like, especially when I'm wearing my joggers. Like, when it's not too cold, but it's a little bit chilly to have your arms out, cardigans are just the way to go. So I saw these, and what drew me to them was the little red tag. But how cute are these? They're like, I think they're meant to be like 3/4 length. I don't think they're meant to be full length sleeves, but they just like clip, like clasp at the front there, and I just think they're really pretty. So you can dress these up and dress them down. They're perfect for like nights out as well. So I got this in 2 times extra small, just so then it's tight to fit in on my arms. So that's size 4 to 6, and they were £7, and I got it for £4. So I just think that's perfect. Nice staple white colour. Liked it that much, I got it in black as well, because you've got to have your 2 staple colours. So I've got a black and a white, size extra small again, from £7 to £4. And yeah, I love them. Next thing is these pajamas. Now, I picked up a pair of Thumper ones in one of my other hauls, and they're the most comfiest pajama bottoms ever. I've literally found a new obsession with pajama bottoms from Primark, like this style of pajama bottoms. So these are Mulan ones. I'm not really into Mulan, but I just love the colour. Like, I just love the colours on them. So it's like this really nice baby blue. I love this colour. A like dark blue, red detailing, and then they cuff at the bottom. And yeah, I love this style of pajama, and they're the most comfiest things ever. So that is why I had to pick a pair of these up. These were £8 and I got them in size 10 to 12 because they had no extra small. Extra small sizes in Primark just seem to go like that. So yeah, I picked them up in size small, but because when they're pajamas it doesn't really matter if they're a little bit big, because it makes them more comfy, I suppose. But yeah, they are super duper cute. They've got like the little dragon and Mulan on. Next thing in this bag is a pair of leggings. I live in leggings all the time. I've got some leggings on right now, as you can see. They're the most comfiest things ever. They go with everything, like if I just want to wear a t-shirt like I am wearing today, or chuck a hoodie on, just anything. I just love throwing leggings on. So I wanted to pick up a pair of Primark ones, so I got these in 2x extra small because they always go baggy around my ankles. My ankles are quite skinny, so they always go baggy around the back of my knees and my ankles. Now these look a little bit big as well, so I still think they're going to be big, but I just wanted to see. So hopefully these will fit. When I was looking at the extra small, they still looked a little bit big and they looked way baggier on the ankle as well. And I just don't like leggings that flare out. They should be tight to your leg, and I just think that's how I like to wear my leggings anyway. That's why I got them in 2x extra small, which is a size 4 to 6. And these were £4. £4 for a pair of leggings. You just can't go wrong with Primark prices, if I'm honest. So I picked those up. Right, we're on to the last bit of clothing now. I forgot I picked up that many bits of clothing, if I'm honest. I didn't think I did. So the last bit of clothing is yet another cardigan. Now I've picked up a similar cardigan to this in, I don't know if it was my last Primark haul or the one before, but this is slightly different, just a little bit different. It's not as long as that cardigan, and the pattern on it's a little bit different, so I of course had to pick it up. So it just looks like this. It like folds around the collar and it's just really nice and flowy. This is like mid-length rather than like knee length, I think my other one is. That one's like quite long, but yet again, because it's a cardigan, throw it on with anything and everything. It's going to be perfect for winter. This one's slightly thicker than the other two, so this is definitely going to be good for autumn, winter time. So I'm really, really happy with that. I got this in 2x extra small as well, and it was £10. So it comes with a little belt too. Moving on to the last little bits now. These are just like little picky bits from like the beauty section and home section, etc. So first thing I got was some oval pads. I near enough pick a pack of these up in every single one of my Primark hauls as well. They're just a staple thing that I love to stock myself up on from Primark. So I got some of these 100 oval cosmetic pads for 90p. Now that is amazing. I love using micellar water with these, and yeah, they're just so good for that. So got a pack of those. I then got a pack of my eyelashes. These are my favourite GWA eyelashes. I rave about them all the time, as you will all know. These are in the style Princess, so I always have to pick up a pair when I go to Primark because you never know when I'm going to run out. But they do last such a long time. Like, I've got a pair in this drawer that lasted me the whole of lockdown, and they're still going. But I always like to have backups just in case I lose one, or if one gets like crumpled and whatnot, then I just throw them away. But for £3, I just make sure I stock myself up on them. So they just look like this. They are super, super flattering, and I just think they suit my eyes so well, and I get on with them really well as well because they're not heavy. I hate lashes that are just heavy on your own eyelashes and that you can just feel are there, whereas these ones, I forget that I've got them on. So that is why I love them so much and swear by them. Then me and Sam found these. I remember seeing my friend Georgia show these in her haul. Georgia Lauren Birch here on YouTube. She showed these in her haul, and they're such a good idea. I love the idea of them. They're 20 reusable ice cubes. So we got 2 packs. We got a pack for Sam's house and then a pack for my house. And yeah, I just think they're so like handy to have, because when you're like having your little gin and tonic, or if you just want to like make your drink colder, whatever drink you have, then you've got these to pop inside. Whereas like Sam doesn't like ice cubes because it waters down his drink, but with these, obviously, because they're reusable ice cubes, it doesn't melt in your drink, so it doesn't make the drink watery or anything, which is so good. So that, I really like the idea of these. So like I say, we got 2 packs, one for my house, one for Sam's, and they've got little cactuses. There's a cactus, a little pineapple, and then a flamingo as well. These were £1.50 for 20, so we've got 40 here. Next thing I got were these 20 LED flower rose lights. They just look like this. I just think these are going to be so pretty. I'm going to drape these on the headboard of my bed, and I just think they're going to like add to my room a little bit. I just think they're so cute. I love fairy lights as it is. I've got obviously these ones on my wall. I have some on my shelf. I just like fairy lights, especially in the autumn, winter time when I've got them all on with my candles. Oh, I love it. It makes my room feel so cozy. They were £3.50 and they take 3 AA batteries. And then the last thing that I got in this haul was a pack of candles. Always got to have candles from Primark, so I just stock up. They are the sea salt mist ones, salted vanilla and jasmine, and they burn up to 3.5 hours. So they were £1 for, how many do you get in here? 24 candles in here for £1, so that's not bad at all, and they just smell so fresh. Love the smell of them. So that is the last thing I picked up. So that is the end of this video. I really do hope you enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to give it a huge thumbs up. Subscribe down below if you haven't already. Let me know what else you'd love to see over here on my channel. And yeah, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye everyone.